everyone. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ms. Nene and welcome to Ms. Nene's Art. Today I'm making more coasters. I am going to be using some chrome dust. This is gold from solarcolordust.com. I haven't used it yet, actually. You see I'm opening it right now. If I can get it open, that is. So it's like a gold color. It looks like it has a lot of shimmer to it, so I'm really excited to use this. And Chrome X, which is Meridian, which is a green color. You really can't see it, but it's a green color. Still got the little lid on it. So I'm going to use these two together. I think these two colors will look really good together with the gold. So that's what I'm doing today, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and mix up the resin, and I will mix these gorgeous little colors on camera so you can see, and I'll be right back. Okay, so camera malfunction. I lost the part where I was mixing the colors. I had no idea that my camera shut off, and if I hadn't looked up, I probably wouldn't have got any footage. So I apologize for that, guys. I hate it when that happens. That sucks. Totally sucks. But at least I've got some really good footage left. We just missed the mixing part. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this video, and I will be keeping a close eye on it to make sure this doesn't happen again. Okay guys, I'm back. It's time to unmold these beautiful coasters. I'm so proud of myself because I didn't unmold one like I usually do. I was actually patient this morning. So here goes. This is the back. This is the front. What do you think? Let me see if I can get in a little closer. So this is the front. I love that. So pretty. So it's a little translucent. You can still see a little bit through it, which is fine. I like that. Hopefully you can see all that. No glitter this time, like I said earlier. I didn't want to put any glitter in this one. I love it. The green and the gold goes so beautiful together. It's like a perfect marriage. Yeah, I'm really loving this. Beautiful. Just got to sand down these edges right here. Yep, these are gorgeous. I love this mold. Well, here it is, set of 4 geode squares, geode sliced coasters. That darn light. The green is so rich. The gold is really rich. I love the gold and the green together. I may do another set this time around one where I'm just using just the green, and maybe I'll add some glitter this time. But yep, here it is. Well guys, I just want to say thank you for joining me today. I appreciate your time. I appreciate you. And let me know what you think about how these turned out in the comments below. I love to read your feedback. I do read everything and I do comment back. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing. That would be awesome. I'd appreciate that. Help my channel grow and have more content and more things that I can, show you guys. So take care. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.